Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To obtain a new Social Security number and card, you will need to provide at least 2 documents to prove age, identity, and U.S. citizenship or current immigration status. To prove identity, Social Security must see U.S. driver's license, or state-issued non-driver identity card, or U.S. passport.
Let's help you make your mark.
This service is free. You can use a My Social Security account to request a replacement Social Security card online if you are a U.S. citizen age 18 years or older with a U.S. mailing address, are not requesting a name change or any other change to your card, and 10 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
You may call the Social Security Electronic Records Express Help Desk at 1-866-691-3061 or send them an email at electronic-records-express@ssa.gov, or you should contact the office where you are sending the document or the office that requested the information.
Take our lead.
About 2 weeks. The good news is, the process is straightforward and usually quick. It typically takes about 2 weeks between the time you report the loss to having a new Social Security card in your hand. Even better news, replacing a lost or stolen Social Security card is free.
Let's help you make your mark.
Senses and speech issues, such as vision and hearing loss. Respiratory illnesses, such as COPD or asthma. Neurological disorders, such as MS, cerebral palsy, Parkinson's disease, or epilepsy. Mental disorders, such as depression, anxiety, autism, or intellectual disorder.
Let's help you make your mark.
Form SSA 623 requires the representative payee to account for all benefit funds issued within a particularly time period. The SSA sends notices for this form to be completed on an intermittent schedule.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.